We already take you back in time in 19th centuries at Malika ancient city and hike to the Rush forest to explore all 7 tiers of Erawan waterfall. Now we are still in the beautiful province of Kanchanaburi, just 2 hours from Bangkok. Today we will visit another iconic site, one with breathtaking views that draw countless visitors to its tracks. But this railway holds a darker story. Built during World War II without modern construction technologies, its creation claimed the life of more than 100,000 war prisoners. This tragic history earned its hunting name, the Death Railway, where friends from Thailand will take you along today. Now we're heading to Death Railways, which is very popular attraction in Kanchanaburi. At the moment we're driving parallel to the railways, but this is not the point that you should stop. We're going to go to the cave and most of the people will be there. Very interesting. Alright, finally we're here at Kasak Cave. I remember coming here once when I was a little boy, but me and my family took a train just like most of the tourists, but this time I drive, so I get to see different things, but same destination. Once you park the car, there is some market, but that is normal. Yeah, we can find it anywhere. See, this is the train packed with tourists. All the tourists, like in one bogie, hundreds of people. I don't know which one gives you a better experience. Coming here, park and walk along, or be on that train. My camera guys will fly up the drone, yeah? After he done with all the insert videos, you get to see the overall picture soon. But now, let's come here, because I believe the train will depart quite soon. See, we're not allowed to walk on the track, but right after this, we can. They call it Death Railways. It's because back in World War II, that time it's very hard because all the building technologies, like human can't build something like this. Therefore, people die a lot. Now we can walk on the train track and follow the train. I am now walking on the railway track, the Death Railway track, right after the train left. Let's stop here, and I saw them stop on another side as well. Oops. But it is quite a walk, so I'm just going to walk and show you guys a little bit there. Right, and we're gonna come to this cave where the hostage who built this railway track kinda live in. I believe that a lot of them die. According to my research, some say 20,000 people, some even say 500,000. My social study in high school teacher tell me that one of this railway wood cost one dead people. Now let's see this cave where the hostage used to live in. They say that that railway has a long story since Second World War, right? And yeah, about 2,000 hostages, both foreigners and Thai workers, have to go down to there and build up the railway. They have to go down by using the rope to tie them and hang down to build and put all the stone, all the big wood as the basement of the railway track. Now it is a temple, a small temple. I don't even know if this is a temple, but people come pay respect to the Buddha. All right, now we're gonna go back to the cities. It's 4:45 right now. Should take me at least 30 minutes because I want to have my dinner. I'm planning to eat pad kapao, which I already eat on my first day of arriving Kanchanaburi, and it's so good. So I decided to put it in this video for you guys. They even award second best pad kapao in the whole Thailand few years back. So you get to see how good pad kapao look like. Come along. We're now at one of very good pad kapao place called Jit Sot Chun. The sign here is a proof that the chef here won world best number 2 pad kapao. Also featuring in Iron Chef Thailand. And the place is super cozy and chill with nice music on. I'm gonna sit here, order my dinner, Thai food and pad kapao, and show you how good it is. Basically, right, to conclude, he has a special way to cook his pad kapao using different type of spice and chili, and we give you like all the spice taste in the different way. You get to see, right? Apart from that, there are also another menu as well. Now the chef will get back to the kitchen and cook our food. All right, this is how pad kapao here look like. In Thai, this is gai la iet, which means they blend herb and chili and kind of like stir fry it with holy basil. Hope you can see. Yeah? But one more interesting thing, apart from the rice, if you take a close look of the rice, they use a very good jasmine rice. Good pattern also, right? On all the reviews, people mention the shape and the texture of the rice. I will eat later, but I want to show you, right? I order all the eggs option. When Thai people eat pad kapao, right? The basic one would be fried eggs. They use duck egg, right? This should be Thai style omelette. Here is century eggs, come with deep fried holy basil. But this one is interesting, right? They combine two type of eggs, which is duck eggs and chicken eggs. They call it song kwai eggs. You might not understand. Song kwai is the name of the main river here in Kanchanaburi, right? I believe it's like two river combined to one. So this is two eggs combined to one. And also interesting, hide and seek eggs. This is hide and seek eggs. You kind of have to dig in, yeah, and see the eggs inside. Wow. And believe it or not, the chef here blend Thai fish sauce and chili and make it in a mousse shape, like the mousse that top on your food in fine dining restaurant. Yeah. You know what? I will have my first bite eating this egg alone. It is the mix of all the pad kapao that we all have for dinner, right? But the eggs, we order too much, so this one we can't finish. I have a good night's sleep. Yesterday was quite a long day, right? At the moment, we are in the areas, the popular areas of Kanchanaburi along River Kwai. This is where I stay, right? The hotel that I stay called Mona's River Kwai Hotel, all right? Along popular tourist spot in this city. I'm about to check out, but I want to show you a bit of this hotel, right? A nice swimming pool with good design in the middle. My hotel was there, yeah, but the buildings surrounded with big trees. I'm heading to our next trip, which is the highlight of our Kanchanaburi trip. We're gonna drive about half an hour, cruise to the rivers, dig deep into the forest where there is no electricity or even phone signal, right? The place that we go called Jungle Raft, very popular, very unique, and that is the whole reason that we come to Kanchanaburi. Okay, I want you to follow along, okay? It's going to be super interesting. All right, bye-bye for now.